Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Studios. In this video, I will guide you through how to fix iPhone stock on boot screen. If your iPhone is stuck in a screen, then to solve it, what you need to do is you need to force restart your iPhone device. To force restart your iPhone device, first of all, press the volume up button and then press the volume down button and then keep pressing. But you have to make it really quick. And you will see this option, and later on you will see a black screen with the Apple logo. And then restart your device after 20 to 30 seconds and then your issue might be solved. So in this way you can solve this issue. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.